Today I'm going to be talking about the Victorinox Rally. It's a very small, very affordable, handy little pocket knife. Let's open it up. It's the classic red with the cross on it. It has the bottle opener with a magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver. I like to see this on utility type knives. It's a feature we didn't used to have. We were always delegated to just the standard flat screwdriver. The main blade is very thin yet sharp. It's very small but yet pretty easy to get into the thumb nick to open. There's also on the side with the the blade a standard flat screwdriver, which could probably also be used for some light prying, and a file. As most Victorinox knives, it does have a little split ring lanyard loop / keychain attachment, and this knife is so small it would be perfect for a keychain. Also included are the tweezers, classic to Swiss Army knife style knives, and you also get the little toothpick. At $15 and change, I would say this is a great bargain. I purchased this one on Amazon, and it was Amazon Prime with free shipping. If you're looking for a little small discreet pocket knife as a constant companion type thing that doesn't take up much room, or a keychain knife, this may fit the bill. Thank you for watching.